This isn't spy puffer. It's a real pufferfish. The poor creature gets the same rough treatment. Perfect for a game of catch. But the dolphins are dicing with death. Pufferfish are one of the most poisonous fish in the ocean. They exude a powerful nerve poison called tetrodotoxin. It only takes a small amount to kill a human. Even so, the dolphins often look for pufferfish and love to chew on them. Taken in small doses, the secretions seem to have a narcotic effect. The dolphins are careful not to swallow them. Instead, they hold them gently in their mouths. Despite the risks, passing the puffer has become a popular pastime. Luckily, the little fishes usually survive the strange experience.